Hello everyone and welcome back to FunMathology. Now today's topic is how to construct an angle of 105 degree. Okay, so student, let's start. Now to construct an angle of 105 degree, so what do you need? So we'll be needing, as usual, we'll not be needing a protractor. So we'll be needing a compass, we'll be needing a ruler. Okay, so with the ruler and compass we'll be constructing the angle of 105 degree, but at the end of the construction we'll obviously need a protractor so that we can check it whether we have correctly constructed the angle to 105 degree or not. Okay, so let's start. So see, so we'll construct the angle of 105 degree step by step. So what do you need to do? At the first onset, you need an arm of an angle. So I have constructed an arm of an angle AO, where O being the vertex. So we'll point the needle in the vertex and we'll be constructing a perpendicular, okay, 90, and we'll see what to do next. Okay, so the first step is to construct a 90. So we'll construct a 90 as usual. As if you have watched my previous videos, so you know how to actually construct an angle of 90 degree, okay, with a compass. So take any radius, point the needle of the compass to O, the vertex, and just draw an arc. Okay, point this needle to the intersection point here and draw the first arc, and then pointing needle to the first intersection, draw the second arc. Okay, so we have two intersection point in the main arc. So point the needle again to the first intersection point and draw an arc, and the second intersection point, carefully draw another arc intersecting the above arc that we have just drawn. Okay, now what do you have? So you have, so mark this particular point here, intersection point, mark it and join this point and O, right? So what do you have here? So you have a 90 degree. Okay, so you have a 90 degree. So let's name it as B. So you have a 90 degree. Okay, so let's check it out. You have a 90 degree, right? See, got it? Now, see, students, you must have watched my previous videos. You have seen how to construct an angle of 60 degree and 120 degree, right? So you see this is the first arc that we have drawn, and this is the second small arc and the third small arc, right? The question is, see, the issue is this particular point, if I join O and this point, you will get a 60 degree. Okay, and obviously if you join this point and O, you will get 120 degree. So what is the difference between this is 90, right? So this is 90, so this is 90 degree, and if you join this point and this point, you will get 120 degree. So what is the difference between this and this? 30 degree. So let's see, if I bisect this 90 and 120, I'll get what? 15, because 120 minus 90 is 120 minus 90 is 30. So if I divide this 30 by 2, I'll get 15 degree. Okay, so I'll get 15 degree. Now I already have 90. If I add 15 to it, what will I have? I'll have 105 degree. So I need to bisect this area. Okay, have you seen this? This is 90 degree. So this particular point and this particular point, I need to bisect this. Okay, so let's see. So similarly, don't change the radius. Point the needle here, draw an arc here, point the needle here and draw a similar arc. Okay, so let's have an intersection point here. So see, there is another intersection point. Okay, so mark it carefully and join this particular point and O. Got it? So let's name it as C. Now what do you have here? See, this is 90 and this is, I have bisected this 60 degree, so I have got 15 degree. So what is the total angle? 90 plus 15 is 105 degree. So what we have angle AOC to be 105 degree. See, so very simple. So what is the process? First of all, draw a 90 degree as usual. in the particular section where you have 120 degree and 90 degree intersecting, right? Bisect that, you will get 15. So 90 plus 15 is 105 degree. Got it? So let's check whether we have constructed it correctly or not, right? So point the base properly, match it. See 100 and see 100 and 110. See 100 and 110. So in between it's 105. Absolutely correct, right? So this is the very simple way and the fastest way of constructing 105 degree. So students, I guess you have followed these steps. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. Okay. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, students. We'll meet soon with another construction video. Okay. Have a great day. Bye bye.